tasty.
Stop it.
Let's see. How about the burps? There we go. Well, if early, so you can definitely taste it. Yeah, good stuff right there. If that, and it doesn't give good burps because I guess maybe the rye just it's very foamy, so I don't know. And again, little tiny burp. Oh, so cute. Crisp lager. Chunky. Law. It's delicious. Now, it's okay. Ooh, good burpage. Aftertaste is not annoying. Okay, burps. Why do I keep drinking it? I just want to give my viewers a burp. Hey. Chunky. I'm not. Out my nose. Thank you. That one. Old Speckled and the Boddington. Boddington's is bad. Ew. See you next time. Delicious. Is it gross? How gross is it? On a scale of 1 to 10, how gross is it?
Very.
A what?
Very.
Very's not a rating scale. Very is an adverb. It doesn't want to come out. As you can see today, I'm not wearing a t-shirt. Halfway. I'm not a big chugger because I'm out of practice. Chunky. Yes, ooh is right. My daughter doesn't like my burping, but that's okay.
Yes, it stinks up.